Helen Zille is on TikTok now, and honestly, I find that embarrassing. Not for her, but for the DA. Is this what you are spending money on? A washed-up politician getting Gen Z clout while people are jobless, homeless, and hungry. Let us be honest, it's not her running that account. It's probably some 20-year-old intern getting paid to make her look human. But the truth is, she's not for the people, and she never was. She defended colonialism, she downplayed racism, and she's out of touch. She had her moment. And now, instead of stepping aside with dignity, she wants to trend, ladies and gentlemen. Helen, go write a book. Go start a knitting club. But don't insult South Africa by pretending you're a voice for the youth. You've never done anything truly meaningful for the majority of this country. Tag her. Let's help her see this video. And if you're tired of political theatre and plastic activism, like and follow. This is Pieter Kriel, and I say what others are too scared to say.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoswa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Bajabule ngendlela lesimanga abantu ngemva kokuthi babone ivideo yemfana womlungu eseculator lapha kuma social media platforms agqeka uHelen Zille ngokuba ne TikTok account. So this guy was basically saying ukuthi uHelen Zille is on a TikTok account akhuluma nje about how DA kuyi joke ngakhona. So abantu abaningi bakuthandzele lokho bathi uwakithi wena mfana womlungu wakithi. But abaningi bebamshayela tandla bakhona la beba disagree naye basho ukuthi ayibona Helen Zille umuntu awuyadeserve kuphila. What do you mean ukuthi une TikTok account? Why kumele ngabe nayo? So somewhere with him and somewhere against him basho ukuthi ayibona mfana uyasangana wena usho ukuthini mawuthi une a TikTok account kunani phoma kanayo. So some people do believe ukuthi as Hollywood DA akumele vele abene TikTok account kuma social media platforms. Uyakubona nje kubonakala ku unprofessional, ibonakala ngazuthi njena angadithatha serious kwanaye, thina siyomthatha kanjani serious kwanaye angadithatha serious. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.